this is Dr. Shweta. In the series of Secret of Smart Students, we will talk about the second secret of smart students, and the secret is always believe in yourself. You can do it and only you can do it for you and all. You are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in the drop. If you want to achieve anything in life, you will achieve it. Just and must believe in yourself. If you don't believe that you can do it, you will never get it. क्योंकि आपने efforts ही नहीं किए. All the great people are great because they believe in themselves. There should be no doubt in your mind. Push yourself to find your own path, your own answers, your own way and the power within you. If you trust and believe in you, there is no limit what you can do. आप वो सब कुछ कर सकते हैं जो आपने सोच के रखा है. Just believe in you. Even when no one else does. If someone tells you that you can't do it, prove them wrong. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking. पेड़ पर बैठी चिड़िया को कभी भी डाली के टूटने का डर नहीं रहता. Because its trust is not on the branch but on its own wings. उसका विश्वास ट्री की ब्रांच पर नहीं, उसके अपने पंखों पर होता है. Make mistakes. These are the fact of life. We are not perfect. जब काम करते हैं तभी गलतियां होती है. But do not repeat the same mistakes. Learn by the mistakes and believe that you will not do the same mistakes again. The reason most people never reach their goals is that they don't seriously consider them as believable or achievable. एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स एग्जाम देने जाते हैं. 3 आवर्स का एग्जाम टाइम होता है, तो लास्ट के 15 से 20 मिनट्स इसीलिए बचा के रखे जाते हैं कि MCQs डिस्कस कर लें या आंसर्स टैली कर लें या कॉपी कर लें, क्योंकि खुद पे विश्वास ही नहीं है. क्यों हम 1 मार्क के लिए खुद का भरोसा तोड़ देते हैं? अगर 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग भी हो गया तो एटलीस्ट यू विल गेट अ लेसन, और वो आंसर आपको ऑलवेज याद रहेगा कि गलत हुआ है और गलत क्यों हुआ है. और अगर कॉपी करके लिख लिया तो हमें खुद ही नहीं पता कि हमने क्या लिखा है. That's why always believe in yourself, because if you don't, then who will? The greatest gift you will ever receive is the gift of loving and believing in yourself. Guard this gift with your life. It is the only thing that will ever truly be yours. I personally always believe that if you set out to be successful, no one can stop you. So this is the second secret of smart students, that always believe in yourself till when people say that we believe in you. You will definitely get success in your work and in your life. Believe that there is light at the end of the tunnel. Believe that you may be the light for yourself or someone else. Surround yourself with people who believe that you can. If someone believes in you and you believe in yourself, then dreams come true. Believe in your dreams. Believe in today. Believe that you are loved. Believe that you make a difference. Believe you can build a better world. Believe when others might not. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Hope this video will be helpful for you guys. See you all in our next video. Keep watching and learning. Stay connected. Thank you so much.